Hello everybody, my name is Charlie and welcome back to my Photoshop lessons. And so today is our 10th video. I will be talking about Clone Stamp Tool. And let's get going on the agenda with today. So I'll be introducing the stamp tool, explain the use and apply to example. It is going to be a really fast video today. And so let's start. So look at the letter. You could get easy access by clicking S. So N S M S. Oh, okay, S. And then let's look at the definition. Clone stamp tool. Paint with pixel from another part of the image. And looking at the illustration, you can see that the pattern is created once more on top of the old pattern, which makes it kind of repeatable right here. Here you can see the flowers are repeated and this part is repeated, but it's clone stamp. It's exactly what the name says. So for example, first thing you gotta do is to select a clone to create. For example, I want this ball right here. For example, let's say on top. So I'll be holding Alt and then click on it. And then the texture selected, you can see that the preview of the ball is available. For example, now I'm going to drag and you can see a right crosshair going, and that is where the clone is following. So you will be recreating the ball again, but in another place, another direction, like this, at another place too, and oops, my bad. Oh man, so like that. So it is basically just cloning the objects and patterns that you selected. And this would really helps when you are fixing parts like the background. Here, I'll create an example of this. For example, I am trying to make this darker green grass look the same like this. It will totally look fine. But try to avoid the the ball. Yeah, so as you can see, if you hover it in, the ball appears again because it is cloning the ball. So in order to dodge that, just select other areas like that. Select other areas like this, and then start selecting here, and then redo it like that, and then select here. Yeah, and that is how clone stamp works. Let's move to the second tool in that clone stamp. We got the pattern stamp tool. So instead of cloning, it is pattern. Let's see what it does. So this is where you select your pattern. For example, I want to turn the grass into seawater. Like that. It's pretty cool, huh? Yeah, but usually, let's just do the ball. I will select this as my gradient and pattern, and let's select the ball. This is some of the way I will use to avoid the background, to avoid coloring on the background. So after selecting, just start using it and painting on it anywhere you want, and it will just be in that circle. So you're creating your selection, and you cannot make changes on anything except for things inside your selection like this. And when you're done, just Control D, and then deselect the shape, and there you have it, a water pattern ball. Yeah, you have just turned a boring looking ball into a sea pattern looking ball. It is actually weird to see water on land, but it is something you can try, right? It's unique and cool. So that is how Photoshop works. That's the end of the video today, and thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.